Good morning, students. Yesterday I taught you difference between of village and cities based on house, dress, means of transport, industries, facilities, etc. So today we teach uh, means of transport in lesson number 7, our village, our city, page number 40. Okay, first we see the carryings of goods. Grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. are produced in a farm. Farming implements, clothes, medicines, automobiles, etc. are manufactured in factories. Grains, vegetables, flowers, etc. are produced in a village. Bicycles, toys, vehicles, clothes, etc. are produced in cities. Bullock carts, horse carts, ships, automobiles, train, aeroplane, etc. are used to carry goods and people from one place to another. Okay. Man needs increase. He invented new means of transport. Early goods were transported by animals like bullock, elephant, camel, horse, and donkey. Next, vehicles such as bullock cart, horse cart were used. Then, ships, automobiles, trains, aeroplanes were invented. Okay, aeroplanes thus used transport carryings of goods. Earlier, there was a big difference between the city and the village. Now, this difference is reducing. The facility in a city are now becoming available in village as well. Okay, now we see means of communication. Okay, look at here. Here they use a means of communications. In the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced. In those days, people used birds to send messages. In those days, information was communicated by a different means. Things trained pigeon were used for this purpose. A message was sent by written it down on a piece of a paper or cloth and tying the piece of the bird's leg. Now, letter, computer, mobile phones, newspaper, televisions, etc. are the modern means of communication we have. The means of communication are used to send and receive information and messages. Okay. Recently, there has been an increased use of means of transport and communications. However, this has resulted in an increasing in pollutions. Everyone should use the means of transport and communications very carefully in order to control the pollutions. Now, look at this picture. Here we have some questions. Okay, let's we solve this first. What is grandfather reading? Where is grandfather? Grandfather is here. And what he is reading? He reading a newspaper. Okay. What is Tai using to find someone information? Some information. Tai, look at here. Tai is using computer to find some information. What is grandmother watching? Grandmother watching TV or television. Dada is listening to song. See here, Dada. Dada is listening to song. What has he put in his ear to do this? He put in his ear headphone, and he use a music player to listen a music. What is father using to speak to someone? Father is using a mobile phone to speak someone. Who is at the door? A postman is at the door. And what is mother talking from him? That he is talking about the letter. Okay. Now we see dialects. The same language is spoken in different ways in different region. The pronunciation of the words change the words from the other language enter another language. In this way, different dialects of the same language are formed. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Airani, Malwani and Varadi are some dialects of the Marathi languages. Okay. Now here we finish our chapter number 7. I hope you all are understood this chapter. Okay, read this chapter carefully.